Let me tell you something nobody warns you about. I remember the exact moment I realized more money wasn't saving me. I had just gotten a raise, the kind of raise I used to pray for, and yet I was still stressed, still checking my bank app multiple times a day, still feeling like one bad month could wipe me out. And that's when it hit me. If more money actually fixed money problems, rich people wouldn't be anxious about money. But they are. Today, I'm going to explain why making more money didn't fix my money problems, what actually was broken, and why, if you don't fix this early, you'll stay financially stressed no matter how much you earn. If you're in your 20s or 30s and feel like you should be doing better by now, this video is for you. Section 1. The lie we all believed. For most of our lives, we were sold a simple story. If I can just make more money, everything will be fine. More money means less stress, more freedom, more security, more happiness. And to be fair, making more money does help. But here's the part nobody talks about. More money doesn't fix broken money behavior. It just gives it more room to operate. Think about it. If your car has a leak, driving faster doesn't fix the leak. It just spills fuel faster. That's exactly what happened to me. Section 2. My income went up, so did my problems. When I first started earning real money, I thought I'd made it. Bills, covered. Eating out, no problem. Random purchases, justified. At first, it felt amazing, but slowly, quietly, my expenses started creeping up. Not in obvious ways. It wasn't yachts or designer clothes. It was subscriptions I forgot about, convenience spending. I deserve this purchases, upgrading things that didn't need upgrading. And the scariest part? I didn't feel richer. I felt trapped at a higher level. I had more coming in, but I also had more going out, which meant the stress didn't disappear, the anxiety didn't disappear, the feeling of I'm one mistake away from disaster stayed. That's when I learned about something called lifestyle inflation. Section 3. Lifestyle inflation, the silent killer. Lifestyle inflation is when your spending rises to meet your income, and it happens automatically. You don't plan it, you don't notice it, you don't feel irresponsible, it just happens. You make more money, so you move to a nicer place, you order delivery instead of cooking, you upgrade your phone because why not? You stop tracking small expenses, and suddenly your new normal costs way more than your old one. So even though your income doubled, your margin didn't. You're still living paycheck to paycheck, just with better stuff. This is why so many people making $80K, $100K, even $150K still feel broke. Not because they're bad people, not because they're stupid, but because nobody taught them how money actually works. Section 4. The real problem. I never learned how to manage money. Here's the uncomfortable truth. I was chasing income, but ignoring systems. I thought, once I make more, I'll start being responsible. But responsibility doesn't magically appear with income. Money amplifies who you already are. If you don't know where your money goes, how much you actually need, how to separate wants from needs, how to automate good decisions, then more money just means bigger financial chaos. I wasn't bad with money, I was unintentional with it. And that's far more dangerous. Section 5. Why this hits 18 to 35-year-olds the hardest. If you're between 18 and 35, you're in the most dangerous financial phase of your life. Why? Because your income is rising, your responsibilities are increasing, social pressure is intense, and comparison is everywhere. You're watching people your age travel constantly, buy homes, drive nice cars, live their best life, and you feel like, if they can afford it, I should too. But what you don't see, their debt, their anxiety, their lack of savings, their future stress. Social media doesn't show the credit card statement, so you end up spending to feel successful instead of building actual security. And that's a trap. There was a moment that changed everything for me. I sat down and looked at my income, my expenses, my savings, and I asked a simple question. If my income doubled tomorrow, would my habits change? The answer was no. I'd just upgrade faster, spend more freely, feel temporarily better, then end up stressed again. That's when I realized my problem wasn't money, it was my relationship with money. So what did fix it? Not grinding harder, not chasing raises, not side hustles. Those help, but they're not the foundation. Here's what actually worked. 1. I built a system, not willpower. I stopped relying on motivation. Instead, savings happened automatically. Bills were predictable. Spending limits were clear. If you have to decide every month to be responsible, you will eventually fail. Systems remove emotion. 2. I defined enough. This was huge. I asked, how much money do I actually need to feel okay? Not rich, not impressive, just okay. Once I knew that number, everything changed. Extra money stopped being something to spend and became something to keep. 3. I stopped using spending to regulate emotions. This one hurts. I realized I spent more when I was stressed, bored, insecure, trying to feel accomplished. Money had become emotional. Once I separated spending from identity, my finances stabilized fast. 4. I measured progress the right way. I stopped measuring success by income, stuff, lifestyle, and started measuring savings rate, net worth, time flexibility, stress levels. That's when I finally felt richer without making more money. Let me be clear, I'm not saying income doesn't matter. It does, but income without structure is like water in a broken bucket. Once you fix behavior, systems, awareness, then more money becomes powerful, not stressful. More money should buy time, options, peace, not anxiety at a higher level. If this video made you feel seen, hit the like button. It tells the algorithm this conversation matters. Subscribe if you want honest money content without fake flexing or hype. And comment below, did making more money actually fix your financial stress or just change how it showed up? I read every comment. I'll see you in the next one.